night. It is, yeah, it's about 3:27. So we are kind of in the process of getting dressed, getting changed, like all of us, for Mickey's Not So Scary. And the kids are outside playing. And there's a whole bunch of neighbors and stuff outside too. That's exciting.
I got my bracelet on.
So are you still doing an
Yeah, you want to do that again?
Yeah, updated. Hopefully not in ponchos.
Oh, did you see the thing I sent you?
What?
Disney Springs fall one.
The fall one? The Halloween themed.
Yeah.
Ooh, we're doing it. Mickey's Not So Scary. I can grab a few. There we go.
Hello everyone. Welcome to Mickey's Not So Scary. Thank you for those maps. I definitely need it for myself. Let's keep on going, folks. Perfect trick and treat, guys. Go straight ahead of this time.
Oh, and the bubbles.
The bubbles!
Oh, Ivy, you hear the song? Yeah.
What should I do?
You're about to get the bag of responsibility. Yes!
And could I get an allergy bag?
Of course.
Yeah.
There you go.
Thank you so much. Oh, we got our bags. And an allergy bag. Yes, it's so cute.
As they say.
My shirt got so bright.
And it glows so bright.
No, it was big. Is he a good or bad guy?
He's a good guy.
I like her.
Yeah, I like her too.
What's her name?
Red.
Red.
I'll give you 20 for the wrong.
Pipe down, you lily-livered lover! Strike your feathers, dearie. Show 'em your flock.
Stop his face. And the ears down. Tell only me what's good for the good.
All right, we got the first spooky treats of the party. So this is the spooky slushie, and it's just like a blue raspberry slushie, and then I think just marshmallow whipped cream and a little marshmallow peep ghost. And then we also got the garlic parmesan chicken strips and the, I believe it was like the Fantasmic black garlic pumpkin ravioli. These all look so good, and I'm so hungry right now, and I'm so excited because they're at Mickey's Not So Scary.
Wait,
You can taste it.
give me ketchup, bud.
Ooh, the slushie is good.
Good, no? Yeah, I'm telling you. Yeah. No. I got a bite of his head.
Hang on, wait. So let they go around.
Don't need to chug it though.
It's not bad.
And mommy number 3, you check your
It said it's the black garlic aioli. It
It's
tastes
alright,
truffly
we'll do
to
the
me.
parenting tonight. You just
I don't
chill.
love truffle.
Enjoy your life.
But the fried ravioli itself is good. Alright, we stopped at Anti-Gravity's because this is where you get the Cauldron Cold Brew this year, which honestly isn't anything fancy. It's just a Joffrey's shaken Jamaican cold brew, and then it's got cute Halloween whipped cream and sprinkles on it. But I got one last year, and now I got one this year because we're definitely in need of the caffeine.
Oh no! There's only 2 allergies.
There's 2 rabbits.
They're in Tomorrowland, and I don't don't know where
That
they
is
are.
different. Hold on. I'm looking. Was there anything special to this one? Oh, no, there is. It's pumpkin spiced foam. So it's not just
Before we go into the other
orange
one, it says
foam.
Rihanna's buying
Pumpkin
one.
spiced foam. God, it's so good.
Hold on.
I still recommend. Okay, so are there any in here that you want to try to get? The Monsters Inc. one?
Yeah, that one was good last year.
Does that one sound good, Milo?
This one, Monsters
Yeah?
Inc.
That one?
It's front center. That one.
Back to the beginning. Gonna make the money drop. Keep it going, keep it going. Muscles. Now, I want to see you all bounce with us like this. Bounce.
Alright, so Milo wasn't quite tall enough to ride Space Mountain, which he really wanted to with Zach and the girls. I'm not a big fan of Space Mountain, so But we decided to go on the treat trails around Tomorrowland. So we hit up the one over by Space Mountain and Carousel of Progress, and then we went into the Monsters Inc. Laugh Floor one. I think we're gonna go through it again while we're waiting for Zach and the girls, and then we're gonna all go over to like Frontierland to try to get a spot for the first parade. Hopefully, I don't know, it's already almost 8 o'clock. It's like 2 till, and we're still in Tomorrowland. So it's gonna be a pain even just trying to get over there. We'll see what happens.
I'll wait here in case they get out.
Are you sure?
I'm positive.
Milo, you wanna go through again? Yeah? Oh, he said to hang on, he's eating one.
He's got new quality shirts.
Oh, yeah.
It's not so very scary. It's really not so scary.
Oh, Rapunzel and Flynn!
I like Rapunzel's mask. I like Rapunzel's mask. Flynn doesn't look like Flynn.
Milo, do you like Tinker?
I can take it. I'm gonna show. Just accept the pain.
Yep.
She waved at me.
Oh, Wreck-It Ralph.
Beats broccoli. Hey everyone, happy Halloween!
I think just...
Villains? Got one more quote after this.
Okay, I got it then.
I see it right there.
Woo!
Milo, which one?
It's Candle Top. On Penelope! Woo!
I always knew I was born to be a racer.
You should together right.
From a sword, get a trick and not a treat. We sound really sorry, but it makes us really not. It's just part of our routine. We'll scare you
There she is, Ivy. Maleficent.
Oh, you know, I like that song, all right, but the last time we sang it, it got a one-word review.
Wow. Wonderful.
No, it wasn't that. No, definitely not that one. No, it was a shorter word. It went like this. Woo!
to you and boo, to you and boo, to you and boo, to you and boo, to you and you.
Hey! All right, some of the... What kind of ghost haunts a hen house?
What? To you and boo.
Alright. Let's get some more candy.
I love it.
You liked it? You like the harmonizing?
Cool trick, guys. I want that guitar.
Oh.
But it's still really cool.
It is cool. Was it? Penelope, did you have fun? Yeah.
Are we gonna stay here for fireworks or go do something then?
No. I don't think that's like 30 minutes.
The trees.
Ooh, they're purple.
Come on, gang. Let's go.
Let's go.
What a perfect Halloween tale, filled with playful tricks and frightful treats.
Me too.
Those cool ones.
Dearest trick-or-treaters.
Oh, that's cool that you caught it from that.
Yeah, this is from one of the girls doing a dance in glow in the dark.
Oh, okay. From the Wicked shorts? Or not Wicked shorts. So, wait, what'd she say? Descendants? Alright. Hit that trick. Or, no, treat trail. I think we have the last one here.
I got sour Skittles.
You got sour Skittles. Here's that famous Dumbo elephant. Alright, I think we might be headed into the treat trail again. Or we're just gonna head back to the stroller, and I know our main closeout for today is Tiana's Bayou Adventure, because we didn't get to do that last year because of the hurricane. And we really want to do it this year. Dumbo! Not bad at all.
I can't stand
everybody.
No, I heard
I
him.
was like, good lord, dude. You can do nothing.
Just happens like that. I was a little confused though, because of the whole like, if you have the things taped out,
Yeah.
it makes it seem like they're gonna keep a path there for like, kind of like the parade,
Yeah.
where it was like a safety thing.
I'm very proud of you.